Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so it's been a while, but here I am, another product review. Now you see me do F11, I've done the turtle wax, seal and shine, and had good success with the turtle wax. You can watch that video, I'll link those up here. The next one I'm going to try is the one from Avalon King. It's called the Ceramic Shield Lite. Now, here it is. It looks like it's going to be a pretty simple process. It says I can do it in, doesn't matter if the surface is wet, dry, hot, cold, any condition. So I imagine I could do this in direct sunlight. So it's pretty bold claim here, but it says super hydrophobic, easy clean, maximum shine on a vehicle surface. And I've seen stuff on Avalon King before, so I'm interested to see if they can, if it holds up to what their claims are. I'm gonna give it a full test. I'm gonna run it through automatic car washes, and we'll see how well it'll do, as well as touchless wash. Because like I said, I think a touchless wash breaks down more chemicals than anything else, because of the harsh chemicals it has to do to apply to remove the dirt. So if you have anything that's sort of inferior in your paint, it's going to get stripped off. So anyway, I'm gonna wash the car and I'll apply it, just get a nice canvas, and we'll get started. Not much beading in here. Looks like it's whatever I had on here broke down, the wax I used. So we have a good surface to apply the Avalon King. So we'll give it a try and we'll see what we got here. Let me finish washing the car. Here's the car. Let's walk around it. You can see how it shines. This is before I do anything, just a wash that I've done to the car. And it shines decently well. It's just a clear coat, natural shine. I'll see if there's any difference once I apply the coating. Okay. Instruction says apply wet or dry. So I'm just going to do that. It says apply the microfiber and apply on the surface. So spray directly on the surface, and so here we go. Smells good. Has a purple color. Using the cross hatch pattern. Tell you what, as I was going across, I can already feel the surface getting smoother. We'll see. Okay. This air is hot. In direct sunlight. Spray it right on here. Let's see if it streaks. Okay. All done with the M3. So far, so good. Easy to apply. It is, I mean, immediate feel results with the paint surface. It just has an instant smooth feeling. Like I feel like there's already protection on the vehicle. So if you want to order it, there's a link in the description. I think it's something to really consider. As always, I'm going to do long-term reviews like I do of any of my products that I try out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out. Initial impressions, good. I'm going to do a 3-month impression. I'm going to wash the car, see how well it's holding up, if it's holding up well. Then 6 months, and then a year, or whatever it breaks down, whichever comes first. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you next video. And since I'm here, I might as well go ahead and apply it. Now this car is already ceramic coated from Adam's ceramic coat, but why not add it? And my wheels are not ceramic coated, so it says wet or not. So I'm gonna dry these wheels off, and I thought maybe I'll spray it on the wheels as we go from there. So we'll see how it works out. And who knows, maybe this is a good way to boost my existing ceramic coat. All right, so it's been 3 weeks since I applied the Armour Shield Lite. The car is in need of a wash, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it off. Let's do our first step in checking the hydrophobic properties, seeing how well it was. Now you can see in the beginning of the video, you can see how at the beginning there wasn't any beading action going on. So we'll see if it beads up, and then we'll go from there. And at the end of this video, it's not going to be the very end. I'm going to see how long this holds up. See maybe in the 2-3 months how it looks then. So my final thoughts, or I should say not final thoughts, my initial impressions were good. This is my first initial 3-week follow-up on the Avalon King ceramic or Lite, and I had to say it's easy to apply. The instructions are simple. If someone has needed a way to protect their car and didn't have to worry about, like, all the prep work to say, hey, what can I just get, like, an easy, quick spray, I would say it's pretty good. If you were on a budget and you wanted the protection, perfect. If you didn't want to do all the work, just want something you can spray on and wipe off, this is perfect. It has wet, dry, direct sunlight. It is a good bottle for that. So I'll do another test here in 3 months, and I'll do another one in 6 months, and then finally a year, and see what happens when it breaks down. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.